highway to cry, will be called Obisumba, one ever one. Eh? How is your mom problem? Mom, oh, baby cry, order. Eh? Oh, with them, my break cry. Bra, Mr. Umbaka.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
What is the problem?
Bra, Missy, me call baby, and it's a major say, can't me, come, Miss One in break. Oh, my friend, me mechanics, so saying, coming too tired, and not coming check here, dear.
You mean the car cannot move?
No, it can't.
It can't. And you call your mechanic, and he said, check your tire.
Yeah.
Your mechanic is a fake mechanic.
Mechanic, I mean, no.
No. Madam, I'm a professional mechanic. It's a minimum mechanic. Say, oh, chicken and me it doesn't mean say too tight. I'll help you. I'll help you.
Then I will send free typhoid.
I have to check it. I have to check it. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, come. Let me show you something. Oh, let me show you something. Come.
Take your time.
Okay. Come. Let me show you something. This guy is Honda Civic, right? Oh, sorry. You just come. I'm happy. I'm just happy.
Then why are you taking me around?
I'm checking something. Is the car automatic or manual? Automatic or manual? Okay. You know, if you free, we know. If you know, if you free.
If you free, then.
If you free, you know. Madam, hey, your handbrake.
Hey, sir.
Hey, handbrake. Now watch your handbrake, you know. So, now watch your handbrake. Anything I need to me come. Okay, you wait, I'm coming. Let me check something for you.
Hey.
It's move.
Yay. Thank you.
It's move.
Wait.
It's move. It's move.
Now who said move?
It's move.
Nowadays.
The car is moving. It's
So what is telling me
moving.
to tell me car you want?
Now, let me help you. Blah, 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 blah. Blah.
Hey, yes, see. Now that one man, I won't cover on your having cocoa.
I told you, I'm professional mechanic. I'm the only person who can help you. Maybe you can now move your car.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Number 2 near Frosty.
Oh, I found how much you.
Oh, let me help you out. I'm a tundra.
Yeah.
Would you know when I'm saying?
Nothing can't show it to you.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, she
Oh, me, it's for free.
Hey, who's all your good Samaritan?
Oh, about my mechanic shop. Me repair be can in his car, especially more man I'm often. Me yet, me yet, Not me patrol.
We're friends, you.
Oh, yeah.
But that's a tsunami shock. Won't say, and you won't be Anna. One,
yeah.
One, one, dish.
Made them who you. Made them who you.
Okay.
Come in your number, Nanka. Send can I'm afraid. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, when you do say we are so be or of us to see another. In fact, you're beautiful.
I know. Now, one catch yourself. What's your wood? One. And I wanted to show appreciation, but I also won't. No, don't say me. Anyway, if your number no can be necessary calls me mommy or cars be brave.
Oh yeah. No, my baby, mama.
Crowd saying 22 yamama benya for.
Hey, but no, mommy, maybe Fiona, I'll come and repair all your cars for you.
I'm giving it to you on one condition.
Okay, no problem.
Say on frame it unnecessarily.
Oh no! I'll call you importantly.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What's up? What's up?
Hi.
What's up, you?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you too.
Bye.
Bye.
You care for a ride?
Care for
A ride.
Right. Yes. Okay.
Hey, Shanna, where is that car? No, I be any gent.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.